here is where we begin. I had created some of the things. First of all, you need to look for to look for for a suitable beat. For mine, had already sought for something. Yeah, I'm sorry, by the way. I'm the one holding one hand. So one hand is holding a camera, while the other hand is doing the other work. So I will actually request you to be patient with me as we proceed. So you need to look for a suitable beat. I think my camera I will have to focus it well so that you may understand. But these only for them with the SX 600, 670, SX 600, and kuendelea. If you have a keyboard that is starting from 670, SX 600 new series, you are good to go with this. Create a suitable multipad, then it will be suitable for you now. Let's go back to the work. We begin by looking for searching for the suitable beat that is used for mine. It's in the user expansion. Now this is the beat I chose to use. I think you could hear it. And if you don't have beats, please, you can inbox me. I can send you some of them at a very cheap price. Let's hear how this beat is working. It is actually suitable for me. So this is the kind of beat I chose, and I actually wanted to make a beat that is only suitable for this. You don't roll over. You can play it like rumba in a rumba form. Yeah, for me, I thought it's the suitable beat I could choose. Yeah. Now I began by with the first voice was grand piano, and this voice is also good, but you can use it to make such a such a good thing. 7 of 1454 using a pitch bend. This is how it came up. Results. This is the results. That is how it came up. It came up. A very good thing. So I want us to proceed by creating another thing. And so the other voice I prefer taking is it is a dark fat. So it's used for worship. But I will go for it and play in another form that maybe you let me focus a bit. You may also understand that it is good. It can be used to create a good background. I think it's a good voice. Please, if you are not patient, you won't get the results at the end of the day or at the end of the time. It will be a bit longer, this video. Creating a multipart is no, by the way, this task is somehow difficult for me to do videos because I'm alone. I don't have a cameraman here. You'll have to be patient with me. Now, let's try it and see how it's supposed to sound, how it will sound. Combination. Let's combine and see, combine and see, combine and see if it will bring the results we need. Okay. Actually found the rhythm I wanted to play. This is that is what I'm going to use. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Let me actually record so that you may know how it goes. I'll have to zoom the camera so that you may understand what is happening here, how to record it. It is an easy task. Here you will have to go to the multipart creator. Multipart creator, creating multipart, you go to function. It is already initiated. This one. Multipart creator. Then you press OK. Now I had already begun to create one multipart. Now let's go to the second and see how it works. Okay. Now if you want to record, you press record. Pressing record, you press this corresponding key. That is it. You key in that. It tells you waiting. Now you want to record it and see if it will repeat again. Okay. Yeah. I just made a mistake somewhere, so I'll have to rectify it by deleting this rhythm. How to delete it? Just press start. You press record. It tells you waiting. Then you just press start and stop. Stop. It has already rested there. It has removed that multipad pad 2. So let me begin again. Let me see if it will repeat itself. If it doesn't repeat itself, then he'll have to repeat it again until it works. We try until it works. Now I've initiated repeat. By the way, how to make it repeat itself. If if you do not initiate repeat, if you do not press repeat, this is what will happen. This is what will happen. It will not repeat itself. So you go to repeat code match. Press there, then you come to corresponding button. We press on. Now repeat itself. Now this is how where things gets interesting. You can listen to both pads at the same time as you are recording. Let me do this. Let's check and see if it will repeat itself. Guys, just worked. It just worked. Now we need to go to code 3. And you need to be also creative, because creating this such a multipad is a very easy task, and it needs patience and also creativity. If you're not creative, you cannot create an interesting. You need to be interesting. So let's go to code 3. You come here and press multipad 3. It will bring you to the bank, which is an empty pad 3. Now record the same procedure. We have to look for something, another rhythm that we can use. For example, for me, I'll look for another voice that I can use for it. I don't know which voice I will initiate, but let me try and see. Let's go. Maybe let me try brass. I can't play the same rhythm. Let me look for something interesting, very interesting, something interesting. I don't know. What about if I use violin? No, let me use flute. Let me try and check and see if it will match. I will have just to play the same rhythm like that. I think it's okay. Let me use it. Classical flute. That is the voice I've used to create it. If you feel like you want to copy paste, it's okay. You can create exact thing. Yeah. You know the pattern is just 1454. That is it. That's the pattern progression of this multipart I'm creating. So if you are interested, please, you can also talk to me. I am there to listen. Let's go. On time, well, that is the case. It will delay or bring a tedious results and unwanted results. You see, is it sounding well? But now it is not blending with the progression of this chord, the first chords and second chords. So you need to time. You need to be always time it well so that it will work for you perfectly as you wanted it. Okay, let's try again. Try it again. It has actually challenged me, but let me try the third time. I think so. It will work this time round. I'll have to time it well. Now, guys, I want to use it just like that. Let me save it, and yeah, it will just tell you save. Saving is an easy task. Let me save it as number 4. Now, I want to apply this with the same beat, playing 7. Let's apply it after saving it. Let's apply it. Okay. Now these are my settings of 7. Oh, let's go. Yep. The same beat is here. I don't know the tempo ilikuwa ngapi. Well, let me check it. Okay. It is done. Now let's try our multipart and see how it tests. But I'll be making another more, which are very good. I did not plan for this. I just ambushed this video. I'm going to plan a very good one that you may understand. And I have several of them. How to play Rumba music. You need to create a good multipart for it. That will be the next video I'll be posting. Okay, listen to this now. Let me balance it and see if it will sound exactly. It is not sounding well. Let me reduce the volume of this multipart and see if it will work. Thank you for your time. May God bless you so much. This is how it works. You need to be creative when you play the piano. But you are interesting and not boring. May God bless you so much. Good day. Love you guys.